Ready, start. It is the function of the National Children's Board to provide a focus for planning and review and proper coordination of the multiplicity of services striving to meet the needs of children and to ensure at different levels continuous planning, review and coordination of all the essential services. Full stop. The national policy also stresses the vital role which the voluntary organizations have to play in the field of education, health, recreation, and declares that it shall be the endeavour of state to encourage and strengthen such voluntary organizations. Full stop. There has been equally great concern for the welfare of children at the international level, culminating in the Declaration of the Rights of the Child adopted by the General Assembly of the United Nations on November 20, 1959. Full stop. The declaration in its preamble points out that the child, by reason of his physical and mental immaturity, needs special safeguards and care, including appropriate legal protection, before as well as after birth, close, and that mankind owes to the child the best it has to give, close, and proceeds to formulate several principles of which the following are material for our present purpose. Full stop. The child shall enjoy special protection and shall be given opportunities and facilities, by law and by other means, to enable him to develop physically, mentally, morally, spiritually, and socially in a healthy and normal manner and in conditions of freedom and dignity. Full stop. In the enactment of laws for this purpose, the best interests of the child shall be the paramount consideration. Full stop. The child, for the full and harmonious development of his personality, needs love and understanding. Full stop. He shall, wherever possible, grow up in the care and under the responsibility of his parents, and in any case in an atmosphere of affection and of moral and material security, a child of tender years shall not, save in exceptional circumstances, be separated from his mother. Full stop. Society and the public authorities shall have the duty to extend particular care to children without a family and to those without adequate means of support. Full stop. Payment of state and other assistance towards the maintenance of children of large families is desirable. Full stop. As far as possible and provided she has a suitable option, arrangements for temporary release slash parole, within bracket, are suspended sentence in case of minor and casual offender, bracket close, should be made to enable an expectant prisoner to have her delivery outside the prison. Full stop. Only exceptional cases constituting high security risk are cases of equivalent grave descriptions can be denied this facility. Full stop. Births in prison, when they occur, shall be registered in the local birth registration office. Full stop. But the fact that the child has been born in the prison shall not be recorded in the certificate of birth that is issued. Full stop. Only the address of the locality shall be mentioned. Full stop. Female prisoners shall be allowed to keep their children with them in jail till they attain the age of 6 years. Full stop. No female prisoner shall be allowed to keep a child who has completed the age of 6 years. Full stop. Upon reaching the age of 6 years, the child shall be handed over to a suitable surrogate as per the wishes of the female prisoner. or shall be sent to a suitable institution run by the social welfare department, full stop. As far as possible, comma, the child shall not be transferred to an institution outside the town or city where the prison is located in order to minimize undue hardships on both mother and child due to physical distance, full stop. Such children shall be kept in protective custody until their mother is released or the child attains such age as to earn his slash her own livelihood, full stop. Children kept under the protective custody in a home of the department of social welfare shall be allowed to meet their mother at least once a week, full stop. The director, comma, social welfare department, comma, shall ensure that such children are brought to the prison for this purpose on the date fixed by the superintendent of prisons, full stop. When a female prisoner dies and leaves behind a child, comma, the superintendent shall inform the district magistrate concerned and he shall arrange for the proper care of the child, full stop. Should the relatives concerned be unwilling to support the child, comma, the district magistrate shall either place the child in an approved institution slash home run by the state social welfare department or hand the child over to a responsible person for care and maintenance, full stop. Children in jail shall be provided with adequate clothing suiting the local climatic requirement for which state slash UT government shall lay down the scales, full stop. State slash UT governments shall lay down dietary scales for children keeping in view the calorific requirements of growing children as per medical norms, full stop.